Who doesn't know the problem? You buy a new car but can't run your high-tech media. I guess I found the solution for my issue. As you can see, this radio is currently completely useless. Now I will show you the new device which I have bought for the GLK. That's a manual. Here we have the harness, and I definitely see it coming. This will be a nightmare to place. Some more cables. Here we have the trim pieces, which will replace the current one. And also the interface. I have also bought this kit, the trim removal tool set, and I will share the link in the description below if you are interested. Now I would say we will start with removing the old one and put in the new one. Let's go. I will first start with the vents and take them off. Now we have to remove this trim here. Usually there should be 2 screws, but it looks like someone took it off already. So maybe we can take this out. Okay, I guess we have to remove this trim here as well. Everything came off and I need to figure out how to connect the new harness. It's now day 2 and it's been a few weeks since I have took off everything. I'm driving around like this, I guess since 4 weeks now. And the reason for that is that I couldn't switch between the new menu and the old menu, and I guess I found the issue for that. And yeah, let's check if it works. As expected, this was absolutely a nightmare to get the harness next to the vents, but it's here now. And as far as I understood, I have to connect this system 12 volt out with this CCD 12 volt, and then we will see if it will work. I'm finally done, and as you can see, it's already dark outside. I was so much focused on getting this done that I forgot to start the camera, but that's the result. I guess I will come back tomorrow and show you the unit, but first I will inform my wife that we don't have to talk that much when we are driving around. It's not exactly the next day. I've been using this device since 3 months now, and I want to test it first before I do a review. But let's talk about the installation first. As expected, the wiring was absolutely a nightmare, but I managed to do it. This device gets connected to the radio, and it gets the sound from the cinch cable, which is connected here. And that's the main menu. The good thing about this thing is that you can switch between the new one and the old one. If you go on NTG, you see the original display. You have all the functions, they are still here. And the good thing about this device is that it connects to your smartphone. In my case, it's Apple CarPlay. And here we have it. You can use a lot of apps which you have installed on your smartphone, for example Spotify, and here you can also see which apps are available. You have the possibility to download new apps on Play Store and use them on this device. For example, YouTube. There is also an app installed which is called MirrorLink. There you can display your smartphone, and I don't know how it works because I didn't use it so far, but you have this option as well. And there is a browser as well if you want to search anything, for example W201 search. Yeah. You can also display your dashboard. Here on the left side we have the speed, and on the right side the RPM. All in all, I'm pretty happy about this device because I have now some features which I was extremely missing. For example, streaming music using my smartphone. But I have to say that it was a lot more to do than expected, and the wiring was absolutely a nightmare. But if I can do it, you can do it as well. And that's it for today's episode. Thank you for watching and see you next time.